Hello everyone, today's mini vlog I'm going to making some soup out of leek and potatoes because the weather is turning a bit bad since we are back in Belgium now, and yeah, I want to make something warm for us to have, like a soup, and I didn't have any more ideas as to what to make, so I figured some leek and potato soup that I used to make a long time ago would go well, and yeah, I'll show you how I make it. So the way I learned it is quite simple. You need a bunch of leeks, fresh, I bought from the store, a few potatoes, butter, some chicken noodle cubes for stock that you're gonna have to make, and normally a large white onion, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use two smaller ones. Right, the first thing I'm gonna take care of now is cleaning these leeks because from what I saw before, they're usually quite dirty, especially in between the leaves and stuff. So they have to be cleaned and kept in water for a little while with salt. And then you're gonna see a lot of like dirt and stuff come out of them. And just like so. And then usually these heads need to be checked a bit because they can be, as you see, a bit dirty and broken or whatever. So just separate them a bit. And then the dry end, I usually get rid of it. Okay, leeks have been cut. Now need to give them a really good wash and let them rest in water for a bit so that impurities and stuff like that come out of it. I can already see some mud in between them here and there. So cold water and maybe a bit of salt also inside of it. And clean. Okay. I'm gonna move on to the next bit, which is potatoes. I need to cut them smaller a bit. Small cubes so that they cook faster. I don't want to waste too much time waiting for them. It's similar to making mashed potatoes, I guess. You need to make them small so they are easy and fast to cook, because the leeks are going to cook quite faster. There we go, potatoes cut. Now I have to wash these also. Good drain. Now I need to cut these onions. Oh god, they're so strong. In the same cube sizes as the potatoes. So yeah, if you have a big onion, then you don't need to fiddle so much with this. I don't have one, so I have to use just very small ones. Yeah, that'll pretty much do. Perfect size. Okay, now that I have my main ingredients pretty much cut down, you need some butter. So I'm gonna let this melt a bit. Afterwards, I need to add the leeks and the potatoes and the onion, which is in there, all together, and get a bit of color on them.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello. How's my
What's
little
Daddy
boy?
doing? Smells like prey.
Yeah.
Daddy's making a healthy soup.
Look, my love. There's a leak on the sink.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Okay, my butter is starting to melt. Yep, it's good. First thing, potato. Give it a good stir. Some halo halo. Okay. Now we add the leeks. Okay, that's all in. Now I need to stir it again. Really important now. It needs to be covered because that way the heat from the steam is gonna cook the vegetables slightly, just to have them ready. In the meantime, I am going to boil myself some water and do the chicken stock. All right, my vegetables are now steamed, so you see they're starting to get a bit soft. That's just about enough. Now I need to add the stock to it, which I have to do with 2 hands. Okay, I am now adding the stock, the chicken stock to it. Just enough to cover the vegetables. Now I'm gonna turn up the heat because I had it on like gentle so that the vegetables, they don't cook, they just basically get softer. So now I have to blast it to maximum. Cover it again and let it cook properly. While I wait for that to happen, there's 2 more things that I need, and that is a bit of milk to give it a bit of taste, and the most important one, cream. Ideally fatter one, so the fattest one I can find in Belgium is 20%, so I use that and just leave off a bit for the end just to make it look nice. Vegetables are soft now, especially the potatoes, because that's what you need to look for. So I'm gonna pull it off the heat and start blending. Okay, now that I've blended almost all of it, need some salt, pepper, added a bit of milk, and then the cream, so 20% fat cream, give it a bit of extra flavor. Okay, leave some aside, like I said before. Okay, taste test. Actually, it's really good. I'm happy with that. That's pretty much it. It's good to go. Now I'm gonna put it in the bowl and it's time to serve and eat. Leek and potato. Let's see if it's any good. Yeah, I like it, but I don't know. Go ahead.
We'll see. It looks
It's hot,
good.
so be careful. It's hot. Yeah. It's good.
Tastes really good though. Creamy.
Nice.
And it's really healthy soup. You want bread?
No. It's been a
I
long
like
time.
it.
It's been a long time since I had this soup actually.
Who would think this is a healthy soup, you know?
Well, they eat a lot in England actually, to be fair.
Like
That's
this?
where I learned it, yeah.
Do you make it your own or you buy?
No, we make it in the kitchen always.
Ah, when you were a chef.
We used to have a soup of the day, so every day we'd have to make a soup. So this would be a popular one. Then sweet chili, chili and, no, what was it? Chili and pumpkin? And then white onion soup, that's also quite good.
I think the white onion soup is good because I tried it in the hotel. You remember the one with the bread? That's onion
But
soup.
you need big white onions for that. We
Yeah.
haven't really seen them in Belgium, to be honest. Now I've got bogies, just because it's so much heat. Okay, well, that's it for today's short mini vlog. I made a quick soup, just because it's good for us to have something hot and healthy. Especially with this weather, and we've eaten a lot of crap while we were in Romania also. We didn't do much.
It's a good detox.
My dad cooked a lot for us, so
Look, Eden is looking
Yeah.
at us.
hi Aiden. Yeah, I'm coming. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy our content, then please make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.